In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on Squad Busters. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Squad Busters on your device and sign into your account. Now head over to the Friends section, which you'll find beside the Party Up. In this section, you'll be able to find the Add Friends button. So click on this. As you can see in here, you can add friends by scanning their QR code or searching for their player ID. So the player ID is usually the Supercell ID that each player has for their account. Enter their player ID in this section. You can also add friends by scanning the QR code that they have, that the app generated for them, to be able for you to easily find them on the platform. You can also add friends by sharing invites with your friends by clicking on the share invite button. Sharing invites in different social media platforms is only possible on the social media platforms installed on your device. You can also add friends by sending them your QR code, and this will allow them to easily scan the QR code and add you on Squad Busters. And that's how you can simply add friends on Squad Busters. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.